What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you don't know, now you do. And new hair, who this? I mean, can we just admire that? I know it's like not done, but can we just admire the color? Because girl, Tanya snapped. Like, it looks good. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and it's going to be my Boxycharm premium box. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's actually a monthly subscription. And it is $25 a month for the base box and then $35 for the premium box. And because I'm a makeup hoarder, I have both boxes. And actually this month it is Boxyluxe, and I also get my Boxy Premium. So what an amazing deal, because you pay, Boxyluxe is the $49.99, which is a huge box, and you get so much stuff in it. And then the premium is also a big box, and you get a couple more items versus like the base box. And it's usually a completely different box than even what the base is. So today I'm going to be actually unboxing my premium. And in another video, I'm actually going to do the Boxyluxe, because I just wanted to dedicate this video for my premium because it is a special premium box. If you want to see, just keep watching. And like I said, today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the premium box for Boxycharm. And if you like know Boxycharm, you know this month was like a special month. And yes, it is the Fenty premium box. So Boxycharm decided to collab with Fenty, and this whole box is going to be full-size items. Full-size items of all Fenty. If you don't know what Fenty is actually a brand by Rihanna, which I love everything Fenty. So the fact that we're getting a full box with full-size items of Fenty, I was sold. All right, so you can see it says Boxycharm Premium with the little Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and there it is. Oh my god, I love it. Like, and of course even the little card has the Fenty logo and then everything listed and their prices. So first start off with this, which, yes, it is a full-size palette. This is the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette, which I will open up right now. All right, so here's what the case is looking like, and let me open her up. I actually don't have any, well, does she have eyeshadow palettes? No, I think this is the only one. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at that design. Like, you can't tell me that doesn't look cute. Like, that's so pretty. And then the back, it has all the shades. And let's open her up. Let me see. Let me turn it around for you. So, ready? Ooh, they're so pretty, and it comes with a mirror. Like, okay, girl. Ooh, these colors are so pretty. They're very like neutral tone, but you get like a pop of blue, a pop of like little bit of red, and that green. Girl, I'm gonna have fun with this palette today. I don't even know what look I should do. Ooh, those sparkles. Yes. All right, so first I'm gonna start off with this color, which I don't know how to read this right. I think it's Desert Baked. I think that's Desert Baked. Ooh, she's pigmented. Ooh, but there's a lot of fallout in the pan. Just to let you know. Color, I'm gonna go with this deep plum color right here. That's pretty. And then for my lid color, I think I'm gonna go with Mirage, which is this pretty color right here. Let's swatch it. Ooh, that's reflective. Can you see that? No, I'm a little far from the camera. is so pretty. Oh, it's so sparkly, and I really like this color. All right, so that's what I'm going to do for the eyes. Very simple. Just wanted to try on the colors, and honestly, they blended very, very well. They're very pigmented, and that glitter is just so pretty. Like, girl, I'm going to be using this palette more. And once again, here's the palette. And it retails for $29. So that's actually pretty good. And this, I know it got dirty right here because my fingers were on it, but that packaging is so pretty. I love like that smoke effect. Gorgeous. All right, so for the next items in the box, they're actually lip products and face products. So I'm gonna put on my primer, my foundation, my concealer, my powder, and then I think I can move forward. So be right back. So I did already put my base on, and there's still some items in here that I could put on top. So the first thing we're going to start off with is the Match Stix Shimmer Skin Stick, which is this bad boy right here. It is in the color Confetti. Ooh, purple. Not one for like colorful highlights, but we'll see how it looks. So there's the packaging. Really cute, simple. And then that's the stick. As you can tell, it is purple. Woo! That is purple. That is definitely purple. But I'm gonna attempt to put some on my cheek just so I can use all the product. Usually this is like not my style. I'm still gonna attempt to put some on. So let me just put some on the back of my hand. Warm it up a bit. Ooh, look at that. And then get some on my blender. Ooh, you can definitely see that it's reflective. I don't know why my finger's doing that. But what do you guys think? Are y'all fans of like colorful highlights? Are y'all more of like gold and like champagne like me? I mean, that is gorgeous. It's very, very reflective. So there's the shimmer stick. Like I said, it was in the color Confetti, which was this purpley color. And these go for $25, which that's a lot. Some bronzer on just so I can bronze my face up a little bit. I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and Bronzer. Yeah, bronzer, I think it's called. I always want to call it bronze, but it's actually called bronzer. Just to get some dimension with these chubby cheeks. Let's go for the next item in the box. The next product is going to be this, which is Fenty Beauty, of course. This is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter in the color Trophy Wife, which I do know that this is a quite dark color. I mean, at least for me. It is quite dark. So I'm actually thinking about using it in the inner corner right here, just so you can see how pretty the color is, because it is pretty, but it's just a little too dark for me and my complexion. But here is the outside, and then it says Trophy Wife. Oh, I get this open. Okay. Ooh, it's so pretty though. Like, look at that. Like that. Look at that in the light. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And as you can see, that will not look good with my skin tone. So like I said, I'm actually going to put this in the inner corner, but I do want to swatch it real quick. Let me see. Wow, like on deeper skin tones, dude, that would look so freaking beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Wow, like that color is so pretty. All right, and then let me put this in my inner corner, and it does have a little mirror, so perfect. Let's see. I'm just gonna dab it in the corner. Holy crap. Look at that. Look at that pigment. Wow. Dude, you could even use this as like a topper on your lid. Oh my god, that would be such a beautiful color. Wow, I'm like in shock at how pigmented and beautiful this is. I'm in love. I'm in love. And then for this highlighter, this is $36. So that's quite a bit for a highlighter. I mean, don't get me wrong, this formula is gorgeous and this packaging is gorgeous, but that's expensive. But girl, it's Fenty, so I don't even mind. I don't even mind. All right, and then I'm gonna actually just put some mascara on and some setting spray, which I'm gonna be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and then we'll get to the last items in the box. So now that this is done, ooh, look at that highlighter. It just looks so gorgeous. But let me stop being distracted. But let's get into the last items in the box. And then for the last items in the box, these are both lip items. And then this is actually the blotting paper, which they're very well known for. So I actually might use this in a little bit and see if it works. We're going to start off with this one, which this is the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in PMS, which it does look like it's a dark color. So actually it's pretty good that I went neutral with my look, because then I can actually wear this and it won't look like weird or anything. But this is what the packaging looks like. Ooh. And this goes for $18, which that's pretty small. I mean, to each its own. And ooh, look at that dark color. That's pretty. Let me actually line my lips, because girl, this is a dark color and I need to line my lips for this one, and then I'll put this right on. Line my lips in the ColourPop. I think this is BFF3. Yep, BFF3. I'm not the biggest fan of lipsticks. I'll be honest with you. I'm more like a liquid lipstick kind of girl. But I'll definitely be down to try this. Hopefully it's pigmented. Open up my mirror back up. Very pigmented, as you can see. Okay, I see you, Fenty. It's very like soft and creamy, and it's not like how do you say, like when it's super dry and it like sucks your lips and all that, or sucks your lips, whoa. When it's like really dry and you just feel like your lips are really dry. I should have just said that. Oh my god, Jasmine, you're too much. But there you go. Ooh, I love dark colors. Like, I am definitely gonna be using this, but I like it. Okay, this is definitely a vibe. This is more like fall vibes or even like winter vibes, but girl, like, I'm definitely liking this lip. It's very like dark and vampy, but I'm digging it. And the next item is actually, I don't even want to wear it because I feel like it's gonna ruin the look, but this is the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip in Diamond Milk, which I've never tried the Fenty lip glosses. Girl, what is you doing with your life? Because these are amazing. Like, they make your lips look plump and juicy, and just like they just look so good. And it's not like that gritty feeling of like certain lip glosses, or that goopy like thick feeling. Ugh, none of that. Nope, none of that. Like, this formula is amazing. And let me show you what this one is. So I'm gonna put it right next to it. Can you even, oh, there it is. I kind of forgot where I put it at. Look at that. Ooh, see, I don't even want to ruin the dofa because this lip is obviously super dark. So I think I'm gonna tap it on. Let's see. Ooh. See, it just makes you look I gotta use the other finger since it already came off. Wow, that's cute. Like, it seriously makes you look so juicy and just so plump, and I love it. Like, I absolutely love it. And these actually retail for 18, I believe. 19. So these retail for 19. You could get these at Sephora. You can get, actually you could get Fenty, all Fenty. You can get it at Sephora, or you can order it online as well. It is so worth it. I've had one of mine for like ever, and I actually bought a backup because I love it so much. All right, and then for the last item in the box, this is the Fenty Invisimatte blotting papers, which I actually don't even know how these look like. I just know that these are used for like when you feel oily during the day, or like you feel like you just have some like little shiny spots. You're supposed to just like tap it, and it's not supposed to take your makeup off. So, ooh, this is cute. And of course, it's all the same aesthetic with like the nude. These papers, okay, so these are the papers. This is a little mirror, says Fenty, and then these are the papers. So I think you open it, and then I think it goes in here. So you do like that, and then you just close it, and then rip it. Oh my gosh. I don't know, but I gotta figure this out because this is too complicated for my ass. Ripping off. But supposedly you're supposed to like blot these where you're oily, and it's not gonna take your makeup off, and it's just gonna take your oil. So I don't know about all this because this is a little too complicated for me, and they just keep falling off. So this actually is $16. Damn. $16 for this little thing that is complicated as hell. Like, what? All right, so that was everything in the box. Once again, it was the Kilowatt highlighter. It was the lipstick. It was the gloss bomb. It was this blotting paper thing. It was the matchstick, and of course the palette. So I have to add everything up, and then I would definitely put it down right there. Once again, the prices were $36, $25, $29, $19, $18, and $16. So I only paid $35 for this whole box, and look at what everything I got. Like, you can't tell me that's not a steal. So one item in the box is like $29, $30. So this is such an amazing steal, and I love me some Fenty. So I'm so happy that I got this box, and I'm really excited that Boxycharm is going to start working with brands and doing the premium boxes, like one brand boxes. I don't think it's going to be every month, but they're probably going to start doing it for now on, like every couple months, and I am definitely here for it. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate when y'all be telling me that you're watching my videos, and when you guys be liking my videos, and it just truly makes my day. So I just want to thank you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. And be sure before you leave, you definitely subscribe, and also ring that notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you would definitely be notified. And also follow me on all my socials, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat. It is all the same. It is the Jams2535. And I would definitely see you guys in the next one, okay? Bye.